So this is the Grand Slam digital scales, handheld, which is quite easy to weigh the fish. Some people like the handheld better than sort of holding it on the side like that, so that's a nice useful little asset to the thing. Nice thing about this is it's got a memory. So every fish you weigh, say the last 12 fish you weighed, that you were in a match or whatever, it's got a memory, so you can look back. So if somebody said, what was that last fish you caught, you could tell him the weight. If somebody said, what was that first of 5 fish, you could give them the weight, so there's a memory on there. It weighs 25, up to 25 kilos, it weighs in pounds and kilos, so it's a nice little product.